Alright, so no intro because I hate intros, so let's get straight into this. So I want to be able to close my laptop and still have my monitor, just my monitor working. But every time I close my laptop, there's no signal. It's all, this monitor is black. So how do we fix this? First thing you want to do is plug in your laptop. So make sure there's power. And the second thing you want is you either need a Bluetooth mouse or you need a keyboard or some sort of something that's gonna basically keep this awake. So right here I have a 2-in-1. It's a keyboard and a mouse or a trackpad. So let's turn this on. There's a blue light. And it should connect automatic. So here we are right here. It is connected. And now that we have our power supply connected and our Bluetooth keyboard is on. So now let's close our laptop. Oh no, it went blank. Psych. Alright, so now what was on the laptop screen is now moved over to this screen now. So we don't need that anymore. So if I push play here, the sound is coming from here, the laptop. So if you wanted to use speakers or monitors, make sure that they are connected to your laptop. So in my case, it's just a headphone jack that's gonna go into here. Yeah, I hope that helped.